Okay, in this video we want to talk about business is business. See, some folks, they try to make it hard, extremely difficult, because they don't look at business as business on the internet. When you have a store on Main Street, okay, you have your store on Main Street, and inside that store you have products, okay, then also you have advertisement. Okay, now this is creating customers. Here we go with my three-legged people again. Okay, this is creating customers to come to your store to buy your products from the advertisement. You create people to come to your store to buy your products, and that's all you're doing on the internet. So you're opening up a store on the internet, which is going to be your website, which can have your CPA affiliate offers on it, and that's all you're going to do. It's so simple. There's no sense in getting it all complicated. We're going to keep this thing simple all the way through. So we're going to have a store, which is going to be your website. Okay, we're going to keep it simple all the way through. Your website, we're going to put some advertisement out. Okay, and we're going to have some people buying from you. That creates dollars. Okay, that's all we need. Three basic simple process right here. The little store is our website, adverts, people. Let's not get it confused. Okay, let's keep everything simple. Let's move on.